In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in Adobe Express. If you've ever wanted to create a polished design quickly, whether it's an Instagram post, a poster, a short video, or even a resume, templates are the fastest way to get there. Adobe Express makes this easy on both web and mobile, so start by signing in to your account on whichever device you prefer. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Templates section. You'll typically see it in the left panel on desktop or right under the Create New Project area. This is your jumping-off point. Use the search bar to type what you're making or browse with the filters to explore by category, like Instagram, posters, videos, or resumes. Filters help you narrow down styles and formats so you spend less time hunting and more time creating. When something catches your eye, click the template thumbnail to preview it. This quick peek helps you confirm the layout, style, and overall vibe before you commit. When you're ready, select. Use this template to open it in the editor. Adobe Express offers hundreds of thousands of free and premium templates across many categories, so it's easy to find a design that's close to your vision and then make it your own. Inside the editor, start by editing the text. Click any text box to change the wording, font, size, color, alignment, and style. Keep headlines short and readable, and choose fonts that match your brand or message. Small tweaks like spacing and alignment go a long way toward a clean, professional look. Next, replace images. Select any image in the template, and either upload your own or browse Adobe's stock library directly in the app. Choose high-quality visuals that reinforce your message, and try images with clear subjects and good contrast to keep the design crisp. Adjust colors using the color picker or your brand palette. Matching the template to your brand colors instantly makes the design feel custom. Aim for strong contrast between text and background so everything stays legible. Feel free to add or remove elements as needed. You can insert icons, shapes, graphics, or extra text boxes, and delete anything that doesn't serve your content. Keep the layout uncluttered and maintain a clear hierarchy so the most important information stands out. Finally, resize or reposition items by dragging them into place. Use the guides that appear to align elements neatly and give your design a little breathing room around the edges for balance. That's the entire workflow. Sign in, find a template, preview it, open it, then customize your text, images, colors, elements, and layout. With templates in Adobe Express, you'll be creating beautiful designs in minutes.